we are breaking into DC Hero HRO Hybrid NFT packs. Here with the Boppins. Got Mrs. Boppins with me. You pick your pack first, and then what we're gonna set aside. So we have a full booster box of 24 flow packs, and then so we'll save those for last. And then I have 2 hanger boxes. How to get these at secondary because no luck finding retail right now. I'm gonna try to put up some graphics. I'm new to this. Thanks for coming to see us. But of what we're really looking for, if you're new, all right, be really careful not to show the back of these because there are QR codes on the back to get your NFTs. Got the Flash, uncommon. Wonder Woman. So Wonder Woman is what they would say, I think it's superior, and that's at a 34,377 printed, so not a bad digit with that. I'm really don't mind anything that's 4 digits or less. There's Sinestro, Lasso of Truth, I like that. Wonder Woman. Oh, cool. See, this is what I'm talking about, 5 digits. So this is the Batsuit at 5,388. But out of that set, out of the uncommon, there's 46,000 printed. So not too bad. Like 84, was it 48,000? Yeah. And then Batman versus the Joker. Each pack's gonna have like legendary or epic. The panels are epic as well. This is an epic card. A little higher digit as well. And with those, there's 25,430 in the print. Really looking for 3-digit, 2-digit, 1-digit mints. Those are like big time. And then, yeah, there's the legends that are printed out of 13,000. And the big chase that we're looking for is the Mythic. There's 3 characters that are printed in the Mythic, and that's the Wonder Woman, Batman, and the Joker. There's 1,000 of each of those. Supergirl. Batman's always nice. I like that art. Detective Comics. I think all the comic covers are going to be pretty big too. Not the best mint. Mongols brief buys ring. You can see that they've taken these pictures from already done art, or from comic books, or I believe even cartoons and movies and stuff. Cowl from Case Files of the Batman. Another not that low mint there. 84,000 on the Batcave, and then a first legend. A little high on that. It's almost to the print run on that one. So there's 13,967 out of these. And then also you have the pack rate, which we'll get to that in a second. This one will need top loaded too, please, Mrs. Boppins. I'll get the back of the box here, or even I'll just throw up a graphic of like what the pack rates are. So each, from what I understand, the hits are not per box or per booster or hanger. They are per flow pack. So any of these packs can really hit a mythic. But a nice 4-digit. This is one of the needs. So I need like 17 to complete my set, and I'm going for the aesthetics of 4 digits or less. Also helps with those digital leaderboards. Can you top load this one? This one's gonna go to a PC. Batmobile, another cool one that reminds me of the cartoons growing up. Hey, I didn't have this either, but we're gonna aim for a little lower digit than that. So you just don't have to top load that. Greeting card clue. Oh, Oh, what was that back there? Got the shadows. Another legend. Wow. That's nice going back to back. This one is 5,987, so sub 6K is nice. This one will definitely need to be top loaded. I think I have a 4,000 already though, so that's okay. So let's see this pick rate real quick. So odds per tier per flow pack. So read it here. You see how low that mythic is, and I mean legendary. And we just hit back to backs, and there's 24 packs in here, so it's not necessarily, you know, per item. I have right behind us too, on the shelf. So if you get to check us out, we'll put our handle up there, but it's the boppins everywhere. Boppins, the boppins, the boppins. I will, another one that I didn't have, 4-digit, sub 5K, let's go. There's a set like this that has different iconic phrases, and this one is the Green Lantern Corps. Needed that one. Top of that, throw that in the binder. I really like this art, but another really high mint. You know, I think would be really cool too is, here's a Green Lantern's powering, is to find like maybe the last printed of them all, you know? It'll be 13,967 on the legendary and whatnot. Wonder Woman, I just hit this, but I got the low digit ready. So that one can just be sleeved, babe. Thank you. And then there's another 4-digit. I'm always okay with sub 10K. The Batman. Need that. Oh god. Oh man.
What do you think it was?
I thought maybe it was Wonder Woman, maybe, but the suspense was there, and it's a really high mint too for that one. I think that's almost epic. That's halfway. Almost halfway.
You want to talk about it?
No, I have that one. I think there's like, now that we hit those, I think there's like 13 left that I can possibly hit. There's one that I won't hit because it's in the mega box. It's the movie poster. So I need the Riddler. But everything goes from pack to sleeve in this house. And then if it's worthy, it'll get top loaded. So yeah, these, if you're new to these, there's 6 million printed. Another 4-digit, that's sub 4K. Nice. Black Manta. 6 million printed, and they're distributed through 3 countries, I believe it was. I think I got another one I didn't have. Cool. Another. It's a high. I needed that too, but not high mint. Batmobile, 4K or 4-digit, right before 10,000. Batcave. Vigilante. Another legendary. Let's go. This one's my favorite. Let's go. So the any legend you can top load. Yeah, please. Anything that's 4-digit or less, let's just top. We have plenty of top loaders. I think really it's just important that we sleeve them, but can't be too careful, right? Oh yeah, also if you can see the display cards back there, I don't know if it's focusing because it's focusing on these cards or not, but I did hit some misprints on the first retail that I got. I did find some retail luckily, the very first week. I didn't know, nice, I needed that too. Here an Aquaman Embrace. This one's always a fan favorite. Poison Ivy, have her. But those are misprints that they don't match the front to back for like the mint, the QR code. So what people have been doing is that you've been able to submit them and get the correct card. But it's been said that HRO or Hero stopped pre-order releases. Here's the panel 4. Wow, sub 3,000. Nice, that's big. So these are really big right now, just because people want these the full 9-panel comics. This one not necessarily is the one that people are after. Panel 9, I believe, is a big one because it actually shows Batman. But yeah, you put 9 of those together, and it makes a, I believe it was page 2 of the Batman comic. Hey, look at that. Flash. Ah, Death of Superman. I need this, but you know how it is. Oa? I believe that's how it's pronounced. Is Oa? Harley Quinn. There's a couple different Harley Quinns. This one's... Alright, well, we know we beat through some hiccups here, but I think this is our 3rd attempt in recording. 4th, 5th. 12 packs in, I think, 13 pack. Look at that. Sub 4,000. Gotham City. Aquaman. Ooh, almost there on that Wonder Woman. Bang, needed this for my collection. Let's go. And it's the sub 10K. We're out in the Mythic. There's only 1,000 printed per character. There's only 3 characters. Joker, Wonder Woman, and Batman. Batmobile engine. And the Batman and Robin. Team ups. There are 25,000 print run in that one. The White Lantern. Detective Comics. Flash. The Last Son of Krypton for the iconic phrases. Batmobile engine. Vigilante. And panel 1 at 13,000. Oh, this one feels like a break. Yeah, we hit some our lower mints already, but that means it's just doing for that Mythic. And what, we had 2 legendaries? Oh, look at that, sub 5,000 again. Wonder Woman. John Stewart kills Mogo from the Green Lantern. Cape and Cowl, 40,000. Vengeance. Nice mint number on that. Look at that, babe.
Ooh.
777. If it was just panel 7, that would be a banger.
Killer.
But I like that. That's gonna be a... Oh, they can get some points for that, for the digital leaderboard. So you're gonna get points depending on what the mint is, but like having a numerical like 1, 2, 3, 4 could give you higher points, because they look into that like when they distribute that to the tiers there. But you can get different positions on the leaderboards, and they've done this already, and I know that June 2nd is gonna be their 2nd snapshot. But what they do is they, based off that leaderboard, I think it's the top 150 this time around. Top 150 are gonna get the special digital release, and only 151 of them will be printed. Hey, another Batman hits like this are always nice. Dang, that's almost the end of that print run. Seriously, there's 51,000 in that common. You can tell by the bar here. Single bar is the common. Here's your uncommon. And that's further away. It's 38,000, but there's 46,000 printed. Got the Riddler. Bat Cycle. Crime Syndicate of America. A2105. Wow. Nice. Lex Luthor at 8360.
Ooh. Give me a second. 3 digits, right?
David Saint, sub 4K. Needed him for my collection. Batmobile from movie stills. To the Batman. And 10,419 reverse flash. First the Flash. We haven't seen that one tonight yet, I don't think.
No.
I like it. Ooh, we're getting close to hitting those last pack magics that Mrs. Poppins and I picked out from the booster box. Take those all day. Superman sub 2K logo. Black Adam. That movie, The Rock, is gonna be great, I think, man. John Constantine. Shazam. Just rewatched that movie. Still don't know how I feel about it.
You don't know how you feel about all horror movies.
As of late, you're right. Yeah. Hey, panel 9. Bang, bang. Bang a ring. A little higher on that. Like I said, there's what, 25,000 out of that. But it is the one panel out of the 9 that show Batman.
Okay.
Yeah. These are really cool too. Green Lantern and Black Lanterns. I like the line arts and the sketch arts they have. Getting a lot of Detective Comics tonight though. Man of Steel. Batman, another pretty high mint. The Cowl. And another panel 9.
What's the mint on that?
21,000. Oh, we also gotta go back and check these for misprints. Because he said that this was retail, so the guy bought it also said he got it at a Walmart, which he said he was holding on to it for a while, so could check out. And what I understand is that they held the pre-orders back a little bit to make sure that they didn't get misprints sent out that way. Hey, Gotham City, another 10 sub 10K there. Got Batman. Bruce Wayne, this one's pretty cool. Got this one already. Cyborg, sub 3K. 2099. Wow, Hero 1935. Oh, I keep thinking I'm getting these Batman stills at 4 digit, and it's just not happening. What do we have here? Oh, the Multiverse. Oh man. First time seeing him tonight as well. A little higher mint. It's okay. Black Manta. Superman, this is that sketch arts I was talking about. Green Lantern. Here we go. White Lantern, sub 3K. We like those. We like those. Batmobile. Selena Kyle. At sub 4K. Panel 1, sub 3K. Nice. Man of Steel, number 1. That is 9200 mint. Poison Ivy, sub 10K. Aquaman. Crisis on Infinite Earth. That is a really sad cover. Batmobile engine and another legendary movie. Hey, Unmask the Truth. All right, which one out of these two first, love?
Fun.
Can we get a mythic out of the booster? In the last 2 chances here. Showcase number 4. You hadn't seen that tonight either, huh? On Constantine, Sinestro. Again, my favorite arts. Pain Breaks Back. Supergirl, sub 10. Oh, another 3-digit. And it's my favorite Fears a Tool set. It's the Cape Crusader. 926. Nice. Bang, bang, bangarang. Whoopee, oh. I already saw what was in the back. Dang it. Aquaman. Oh shoot, sorry. Catwoman. Oh my goodness. Sub 500. Green Lantern.
Wow.
Sub 5K. Batman and Catwoman. A Vengeance. Oh nice. We got a 4-digit Batmobile under 2,000. So out of those, there's 51,000 printed. So to get down under 2K, that's nice. That's real nice. Hey, and a 4-digit Batman and Catwoman. All right, so we got these hanger boxes. Let's just get into the movie poster ones because I already know I have it. And I'm just hoping for a lower mint, I guess. Bruce Wayne, Batman. Hey, Crisis on Infinite Earth, sub 5K. Let's go. Cyborg. The Joker. Got the Superman. Still not getting that 4K on that. Hey, the Call. Oh, they got the... Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
What you got?
Sub 150. Please do not lie. That's big.
Oh, shit.
That's big. And you're going to see a lot of these. I see a lot. Oh, my goodness. I think this is our lowest one so far, yeah?
I think so.
There, how's that print look for you? When you see any print lines, see all that? If you want to show me.
What was that?
Are you trying to show me?
Yeah, there's one. This guy was pretty good though.
Wow. Bang, bang, bang. Green Lantern's power ring. No worries about them. Batman. Ooh, oh, higher digits after that. Look at that. Okay. Well, 8, 4, 6, 8. Take those. Cyborg upgrades. 4K. Shadows. And another Batman with the Joker. Seen that one tonight. I'm surprised we're just getting hitting those duplicates though on the back end of those epics and whatnot. Alright, we got Metropolis. Showcase 4. So in case this didn't get through on the first videos, thanks for joining us here, the Boppins. This is Boppins over here helping put these cards up as we go through, and we got a sub 2K 1049 Sinestro. It's pretty nice, especially for those common. You're looking at the HRO-DC or HRO-DC trading hybrid NFT trading cards. Hey, 1619, and that's the truth. We'll try to have some graphics up of what we're trying to look for here, but the big things are the mythics, which are 3 characters: the Batman, Joker, and Wonder Woman. 1,000 printed of each of those. And they're out there. They're out there. And then we got legendaries, which we've hit a couple tonight. Yeah. But I think we mainly hit those lower digits, which is nice. Each of these cards are tiered, and they have a print run on each of those tiers. Like this one is uncommon. So out of 46,000, this one's getting pretty close to the end of that print run there. 40,000. Nice. I don't know if I had detective comments under with that 4-digit look. That's the set I'm collecting. I'm looking for 4 digits or less just for the aesthetics of everything. Bat Cycle. One's a cool one. Bruce Wayne. Oh, here we go. What is this? Panel, I believe. No, panel 7. Each pack you're going to have like an epic or better at the end there. Right, we are on to our last hanger. Oh boy. Poison Ivy with that really high mint. Sinestro Cortex, Green Lantern, another really high mint. Hal Jordan. Hey, we take those. Sub 8K.
Yes.
Sub 9K, the Joker here. Ooh, really high, 73,000. Oh, I didn't have this one. Hey, 42,600. Oh, 4,269, even better. Wow. Okay.
What you got?
I got the movie poster under 2,000, which is nice. That needs to go because I'll put that in the collection now, so I didn't have it. Under 4 digits. Another box of seen Justice League, Hot Girl. Nice, sub 5K, the Joker. You got the Bat Cycle. Batman, and another Legends. Under 5,000. Out of those Legends, the Legendary, there are 13,967. Oh. Heck yeah. Superman at 2,800. It's the little things, folks. Superman. Batcave. Hey, I needed her too under those 4 digits there. 6265. Amanda Waller. Hero. Aw, that's a bummer. Yeah. I didn't just do that, did I? Oh, that's really bad. Oof. You know, scan that one and try to sell it. I'm just, oof. I don't, but check that other one too in front of it. That looked really rough. That's a bummer. Can't believe I just did that. Did I just do that when I chopped it? Man, I'm really glad that wasn't a mythic. That's all I gotta say. Shazam. Dark Side. Krypton, Seems Man Steel. Was this the LPM? Is last pack magic here?
I think so.
Panel power. Right on. Thanks for checking us out. Like I said, it's kind of what we were looking for here. And it's per pack too, so no mythics, but a lot of low digits, and you know, hopefully I can get some of this money back to put back into the hobby. We'll see. So check us out, the Boppins. I'm also everywhere. The Boppins. Thanks again. Check out these DC cards. They're hard to get right now, but have fun hunting.